Hey, mother flippers. I said I wasn't buying any bikes for a little while, but this was one of those good deals that you had to run and grab. Yamaha TTR110. 300 bucks, man, that's cheap. No key, as is. Turned out lady bought it in a storage unit. It's not terrible looking. Has e-start and a kickstart. Somebody definitely got a boo-boo on it, because the handlebars are bent, and she said it was like leaned up against something. So it needs a front fender, number plate, a set of handlebars. This is an aftermarket ignition, so we'll remove that. It's got a brand new rear tire. I noticed this is loose, it's missing a bolt or two. And this plastic is missing. And it's probably going to need the battery. And we're missing a bolt over here. Maybe a new set of grips. But if this runs, this is a score. I doubt the fork tubes are bent. I'm sure this is just the handlebars are bent, and then just loosen these, straighten everything back out again. It's just out of alignment. We're gonna try to get this running though. This is a good motor. It'll be running in 30 minutes or less. Hey, real quick. So I had hooked the jumper pack up to the battery, and I was messing around with this key to try to get the electric start to work, and then I just jumped out, you know, this key switch. It's a 2-wire connection. It's just a toggle switch essentially. So I jumped this out and I wasn't getting any action, so I was like, let me see if it has spark, because it has a kickstart too. And lo and behold, runs and idles. It started on the second kick. I didn't even put fresh gas or nothing in it. I put air in the tires, and they're holding air. So I'm gonna power wash it and clean it up. Hey, mother flippers! We're back out in the garage. Got off from work today. So I think I'm done with the TTR50. We got the new triple tree upper. We got the bars. We got way too long of a throttle cable and way too long. I did a rear handbrake on this also. I had this 50 stunt bracket from years ago sitting in my toolbox. So now this cable will pull on the rear brake also. So when you pull the rear handbrake, and then I put the foot pegs on it, so this thing is just super easy to wheelie. And then I put the wide regular foot pegs. But this one's all good to go with the e-start. And now we got the TTR110. I got the front end straightened out. I changed the oil in both bikes, and then this one, I put another battery I had. I ordered a battery and a new front number plate. I just got to get this side plastic. This one came with, you know, it had no key. It wasn't the original ignition, but we just bypassed the key now. Neither one of these bikes need a key now, but turned right over now. There was nothing wrong with the starter. The issue was the fuse was blown, and they had a mini 30 amp fuse in there. It actually took a, you know, the standard big size fuse, 10 amp. So this bike's all good to go. The bars are still bent. But I just went to the store, picked up a set of Pro Taper mini bars, a new set of grips. So we're gonna put those on here today. And then we just gotta find that one plastic and we're done with this. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to take this front tire off, the 250, and I got a new front tire that I might put it on myself. I don't know. I'll see how I'm feeling in a little bit. Or we'll bring it up to the Moto Tire Center and get a new tire put on, because we're going to St. George tomorrow to ride. Tomorrow will be a good day. But I'll do another quick little video when I got the new bars on the 110. And then I'm probably going to keep this 50 for a little bit. The 110, I'll end up keeping one of these for a little while. But the 110 I'll definitely hold on to for a couple of weeks. I got a friend coming to visit from New York. He doesn't really ride, but this is a perfect size bike for anybody to come and explore out in the desert. So that's it for now. We'll get these bars on and we'll catch up then. Hey y'all. Do a little update on this TTR110. So I looked at the VIN, it's a 2019. So we straightened out the front. Got a new set of bars, new grips. And I ordered a new set of plastics. Because the number plate, I couldn't even find this one on its own, but I'm just going to change the back ones, the front fender, and the number plate. I'll leave these on because I have the decals. I put the new battery in, I changed the oil, I cleaned the carb, and I deleted the key. With the new plastics, I'm like, and the oil change, like just like 425 bucks all in. And this I'm done. I just gotta get a better starter switch. The original handlebars must be like 1/2 inch or 5/8, not 7/8. But this one I'm all done with. These cables were definitely too long, but it all works. It has a rear handbrake now. That comes around to right over here. It's looking good. So if anybody's wondering, that the CRF XR 50s, they're triple trees, you know, to put the big bars. They work on the Yamahas also. You might have to use a big washer to shim it, but it was easy. I was able to make it work, no problem. That's it for now. We're probably going to work on the KTM after this.